Hello students, now we will learn sign convention for reflection by spherical mirrors. Okay, this is figure 10.9. okay, there is in textbook there is more information which is written here, but I have made it very simple. Okay, so this is a concave mirror, Mn is the aperture, P is the pole of the mirror, F is the focus, C is the center of curvature, AB is the object, and A dash B dash is the image. Okay, so the Cartesian sign convention, okay, what it says the first point is the object is always placed at left side of the mirror. Okay, so this is the mirror and this is its left side and this is the right side. It's the right side of the mirror, so object is placed at left hand side. Okay, also it says like the this principal axis is considered as the x-axis. Okay, so this is x, this is x dash, and pole P of the mirror is the origin. So this is the origin, this is the left hand side, all negative distances, and this is the right hand side, all positive distances. Okay, so this is like the in 9th standard you have learned coordinate geometry, right? So it is same as that, and here pole P of the mirror is considered as the origin. The distances on the left hand side are negative, distances on the right hand side are positive, distances above are positive, and distances below are negative. Okay, the first point is, so first you need to understand this is the principal axis is the axis. Okay, x dash. Okay, this is the origin, pole P is the origin. These are the two most important points. And the first point of sign convention is the object is always placed to the left of the mirror. Okay, that means when you will draw a ray diagram, okay, the light will fall on the object, and from object it will fall on the mirror from this left hand side. Okay, now all the distances, second point is all the distances are measured from pole of the mirror. Means what? For that, let's understand few other basic things. Okay, so the distance PF, F is the focus. Okay, and distance PF is called the focal length. It is represented by small letter f. Now the distance PC is radius of curvature. So distance PC is radius of curvature. It is represented by capital R. Okay. Next is U, that is object distance. Means what? Here AB is the object. Okay. So its distance from this pole of the mirror is what? From here to here. This is the object distance. So object is located at this distance. Okay, PB for example. So this is the object distance. Object distance means distance of object from pole of the mirror. So the distance from here to here is the object distance, and it is represented by the letter small u. Okay. Next is image distance. Image distance is what? It is represented by V, small letter v, and it is distance of image from pole P of the mirror. Okay, so this is the image. Okay, so the distance of this image from the pole of the mirror, so from here to here. Okay, so this PB dash, this distance is called image distance. It is represented by V. Next is edge. Edge is the height of the object. Okay, so from here to here, if this is say 3 centimeter, then edge is equal to 3 centimeter. Last is edge dash. Edge dash is height of the image. Okay, so this is the image. A dash B dash is the image, and this is its height. Okay, now let's see. Let's understand the sign convention. Now this distance, this is the origin. Okay, so the distances on the left hand side of the origin are negative. So PF is the focal length of this mirror. Okay, so if you are told the focal length is say 3 centimeter. Okay, what you will take? You will take F is equal to minus 3 centimeter. Why? Because the distance on the left hand side are negative. Okay, so similarly, if you are told the radius of curvature is say 6 centimeter, what you will, radius of curvature is represented by what? R. So R is equal to, you won't take plus 6 because the distance from here to here is 6 centimeter. That is correct. But all the distances that are on the left hand side are considered as negative. Okay, they are negative distances. So R PC, if you are given that radius of curvature is 6 centimeter, you will take R is equal to minus 6 centimeter because it is present on the left hand side. Okay, now and all the distances are to be measured from pole of the mirror. So PF, PC, etc. Okay, now the third point of sign convention is all the distances measured to the right of the origin are taken as positive, while those measured on the left hand side are negative, that we have just seen. The fourth point is distances measured perpendicular to and above the principal axis. Okay, so this is the distance that is perpendicular to and above the principal axis, and so this distance is taken as positive. For example, if you are told the height of the object is 5 centimeter, now this is below the below this axis or above it, above the axis. This distance is above the axis. So the fourth point says in sign convention that distances measured perpendicular to and above the principal axis along the y-axis. So this is the y-axis. Okay, so this distance is positive. Okay, we know, like when we have the coordinate axis like this, okay, all the above distances are measured as positive. Okay, fifth point says the distance is measured perpendicular to and below the principal axis. For example, this distance is below the principal axis, so from here to here, this is image. Okay, height of the image, you are told that if you are told that height of the image is 2 centimeter, then edge dash is the height of the image. So if you are told height of the image is 2 centimeter and the image is like this, inverted, okay, that means you will take edge dash is equal to minus 2 centimeter. Why minus? Because it is present below this origin, okay, along the y-axis. And AB is, if you are told AB is say 5 centimeter, you will take it as plus 5 centimeter because it is above this axis, and this distance is below the axis. Okay, so basically these are the sign conventions that are used in the numericals that we are going to solve. Okay, now again let's revise the same thing, like 2-3 points. If you are told the object is placed, so this is the object, it is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter in front of the mirror. Okay, so this object AB is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. That means the distance from here to here is 10 centimeter. So what this distance is called? Object, or where the object is placed. So it is called object distance. And if you are told that it is 10 centimeter, then you will say, okay, object distance is U. So what you will write? U is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Why? Because it is, this distance is on the left hand side, okay, of the origin. So it is U will be equal to minus 10. Now imagine that the image is formed somewhere here. Okay, now this distance will be what? Just forget this image. Imagine that the image is present here like this. So the distance from here to here will be the image distance, and that this distance is present on the right hand side of this origin or this pole. So all the distances that are on the right hand side, what are they in the coordinate geometry you have learned? So they are positive. If you are told that an image is formed at a distance of say 2 centimeter behind the mirror. Behind the mirror means here. So what will be equal? Will it be minus 2 or plus 2? It will be plus 2 because the distances that are present on this side are positive. Distances that are present on left hand side are negative. So if the image is formed here somewhere, okay, and this distance is 2 centimeter and this is image distance, so in that case you will take V is equal to plus 2 centimeter. You will not take it as minus 2 because the distance is this distance is present on the right hand side. Okay, so these are the sign conventions.